ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Tech Showdown. My name is Kevin, this is my co-host Teddy, and today we're checking out these guys right here, the Ghostek Rapture wireless headphones. And let's jump right into it with the key features and specs. So these guys are featuring 40mm graphene drivers, and as far as I know, they're the only headphones to feature these drivers. They come with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and impedance of 64 ohms. Now connectivity wise, it's coming with Bluetooth 4.1 with EDR and aptX audio technology. They also have a built-in microphone if you want to take calls while wearing this headset. A 3.5mm jack in the bottom, that's good if you want to use it with your computer or with a phone if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. It also has a USB port on the bottom, and that's for charging them. And battery life wise, they last about 24 hours with full use, and that's pretty good. Weight wise, it's coming in at 312 grams, which is really solid for a wireless headset. So let's talk about the looks then. And I really like the look of them. They're coming with 3 different colors. You can get it in the black like this, or you can get it in red or brown. And I personally really like the look of them, especially in the black. The best way I would describe them is stylish. You could wear these anywhere and they would look good. Like, you're not going to stand out. A lot of gaming headsets are just way too hardcore to wear them in public. Like, people are going to look at you. They're going to be like, oh my god. Especially with the RGB lighting and stuff. These just look good. They have a sort of retro-ish, kind of semi-retro look to them with all the leather and just the overall design. But yeah, I think these are a good-looking headset, and I think most people would like the look of them, especially if you're a person that's going to be wearing the headphones a lot in public. Let's move over and talk about comfort then, because that's important. If these are uncomfortable to wear, you're not going to wear them, are you? Comfort to me with these is pretty good, but not perfect, and I'll tell you why. So when I first saw the pictures of these headphones, I was a bit apprehensive about them because I generally prefer over-the-air headphones as opposed to on-ear headphones. But with these guys, they're actually pretty good. So they have this really soft leather, like ear cups, there's a decent amount of padding there, so they do feel nice. They also sit very firmly. You can see, guys, like, I can't throw these off very, they're not going anywhere. So if you're walking around, wearing them on the bus or walking home, they're going to be good for that as well. The adjustments are also good. The ear cups themselves move, which is a little bit different in terms of design. We often see different designs with, the top band and that moving. But this is, the ear cups themselves, and they also pivot a bit, so that's good too. I would say my only real issue with it is that there's quite a decent amount of clamping force, which is good because it keeps them on firmly. But they push down on your ears quite a bit. So for me personally, after about 2 to 3 hours of wearing them constantly, I would start to feel that pressure on my ears. And it gives you that sort of feeling that you want to kind of like take them off because it feels kind of pushing down. So that may just be me, because it's not just these headphones I've had that issue with. I generally don't like on-ear headphones for that reason. But if you don't mind it, then I would say these should be really good for you in terms of comfort. For that first 2 or 3 hours, they are supremely comfortable. The ear cups do feel very soft and nice on my ears. But yeah, that clamping force, I do start to feel it after about 2 or 3 hours, being perfectly honest with you guys. Most importantly is the audio quality, because if these sound bad, you're just not going to want to use them, will you? And in the audio department, these guys get a big thumbs up from me, because the 40mm graphene drivers sound absolutely phenomenal. They are so good. From like hip-hop music to heavy metal, they sound phenomenal. Really good job. It's sort of like punchy, but very clear as well. That's the best way I would describe it. Now in gaming, they also do really good. Explosions in that sound really sort of like big, and hearing gunfire and where people are is quite easy with them. So that's how I would say the audio quality is, like punchy and clear. They sound really good. I was mainly listening to hip-hop music with them, and they sound awesome for that. So anyone that takes their audio seriously will like these headphones for their audio quality. So let's move on to build quality, because that one is probably the most difficult one for reviewers like me and other reviewers to talk about, because we only test these headphones for, you know, a week or so, and then we have to talk about how long they'll last. It is quite difficult. Now, these do fold up, which means they're going to be good for people who travel, easy to pack away, and they do feel well built. I mean, these are marketed as a premium headphone, and they do feel well built, like they will last a long time. They're also coming with a 1-year limited warranty, so that should put some people at ease. And I would say, yeah, build quality wise, to me, they do feel well built. But of course, it is always quite hard to tell. Which brings us now to the conclusion. And what do I make of the Ghostek Rapture wireless headphones? So price-wise, these guys are coming in at $130 US or 175 New Zealand dollars as of filming this video. They're an expensive headset. There's no two ways about it. So are they worth it then? I would say for gamers, people who are just going to be putting these on at the computer, playing games, they would be good, but they would be overkill. You could spend half as much or 2/3 as much and get a headset or headphones that would be just as adequate for your gaming needs. However, if you're a person who is traveling a lot, maybe you're looking for a good pair of headphones to wear on the bus or train or when you're walking to work, or you're just someone who takes their audio seriously, then I would definitely say you guys should look at the Ghostek Raptures, because these are a seriously good headset for those people. Especially if you're someone that was looking to maybe buy a pair of Beats, which I really wouldn't recommend. I have tried them out, guys. I just haven't put reviews up of them on this channel because I've been so appalled at their value for money. I just didn't even really want to make the video with them. I would definitely go for these guys instead, because price-wise, they're going to be better than them, although Beats are pretty bad value for money. But they're going to be much better. And audio-wise, the audio quality is absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these headphones to those people out there. Now, I thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to Tech Showdown if you haven't already, because it makes Teddy very happy indeed. And like the video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.